Hello and welcome to our comprehensive guide on SEO tools for beginners. If you're stepping into the vast world of digital marketing, or if you've been wondering how to improve your website visibility on search engines, you're in the right place. In today's digital age, search engine optimization or SEO is not just a buzzword, it's a critical factor in driving website traffic and reaching your target audience. But with so much information out there, it can be overwhelming for beginners to know where to start. That's why we have put together this video. We will dive into the world of SEO tools, exploring everything from keywords research and on-page optimization to backlink analysis and performance monitoring. Whether you're a small business owner or budding blogger or just curious about SEO, this guide is tailored for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the essential tools and resources that can help kickstart your SEO journey. So, let's get started. Section number 1. Understanding SEO. Before we dive into the tools, let's start at the very beginning. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a practice of increasing both the quality and quantity of website traffic, as well as exposure to your brand through non-paid search engine results. Think of it as the art and science of making your website appealing to search engines like Google. The better your SEO, the higher your site appears on search engine's result page, which in turn increases the chance of attracting customers or readers. SEO isn't just about search engines though. It's also about understanding what people are searching for online, the answers they are seeking, the words they are using, and the type of content they wish to consume. Knowing the answer to these questions will allow you to connect with the people who are searching online for the solution you offer. If you are new to SEO, it might seem daunting. What are keywords? How do I optimize my website? What is backlinking? These are just some of the questions we'll answer. But don't worry, our goal is to simplify SEO for you and guide you through using tools that make this process effective and efficient. Now, let's talk about the tools of the trade. In the world of SEO, tools come in various forms and serves different purposes. From keyword research to tracking your site's performance, these tools are essential in crafting an effective SEO strategy. There is a broad spectrum of SEO tools available, ranging from free to paid subscriptions. Free tools are a great starting point for beginners. They provide basic functionalities that can significantly enhance your understanding of SEO. However, as you grow, investing in paid tools can offer advanced features and more detailed insights. Generally, SEO tools can be categorized into keyword research tools, on-page SEO analyzers, backlink analysis tools, and performance monitoring tools. Each category serves a unique purpose in your SEO strategy. For instance, keyword research tools help you find words and phrases that people are searching for, while backlinks analysis tools help you understand who is linking to your site and how your link profile is growing over time. Think of these tools as your SEO toolbox, each tool providing a different but essential function. In the following section, we will dive deeper into each category, highlighting specific tools and showing you how to use them effectively. So, let's gear up and get ready to explore the world of SEO tools. Keyword research tools. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. They are phrases and terms that users enter into search engines. The right keywords can bring the gap between your content and your audience. This is where keyword research tools come into play. Google Keyword Planner is often the first port of call for SEO beginners. It's integrated with Google Ads. But don't worry, you don't need to run ads to use it for SEO research. The tool is primarily used for finding keywords related to your business and understanding how search changes over time. To get started, you'll need a Google Ads account. Once you're in, head over to Tools and Settings and select Keyword Planner. Here, you can start by entering words or phrases related to your business. The Keyword Planner will then generate a list of keywords ideas along with important metrics like average monthly search and competition level. One key feature is ability to see historical trends for keywords. This can help you identify seasonal trends in search queries. Additionally, the competition metric is crucial. It indicates how many advertisers are bidding on a particular keyword. While this is more relevant for ads, it can also give you a sense of how competitive a keyword might be for SEO. When using Google Keyword Planner, focus on long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that can be easier to rank for and often have a clearer intent. Also, use the tool to understand the related queries. which can help diversity of your content research. Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest, created by SEO expert Neil Patel, is another fantastic tool for keyword discovery. It's user-friendly and offers a more visual appealing to keyword research, making it ideal for beginners. To use Ubersuggest, simply enter a keyword or domain into search bar. The tool then provides a list of keyword suggestions, along with data on search volume, SEO difficulty, paid difficulty, and the average cost per click for ads. One of the Ubersuggest standout features is its ability to analyze your competitors. You can enter a competitor's domain to see what keywords they are ranking for. This can be incredibly valuable in understanding your industry's keyword landscape and identifying opportunities for your own content. When using Ubersuggest, don't just look at the volume and competition. Also consider the keyword's intent. Is it informational, navigational, or transactional? Aligning your content with the user intent behind the keyword is crucial for effective SEO. Also, take advantage of Ubersuggest content ideas features to get suggestions on particular articles in your niche, which can inspire your content creation. Semrush. For those ready to dive deeper into SEO, Semrush offers a comprehensive suite of tools. It goes beyond basic keyword research, offering features for site audits, backlink analysis, and rank tracking. With Semrush, you can start by exploring its keyword overview feature. Here, you can enter a keyword to get a wealth of information, including its search volume, keyword difficulty, and the SERP features it triggers. You can also see a list of related keywords and queries, which is great for expanding your keyword strategy. Semrush also allows you to conduct a detailed comprehensive analysis. By entering a competitor's domain, you can see their top organic keywords, main competitors, and even their recent changes in rankings. This can give you insights into how to structure your own SEO strategy. While Semrush can be overwhelming due to its vast array of features, focus initially on keywords analytics and competitors analysis. These are great starting point for understanding the SEO landscape in your niche. Additionally, use Semrush's Keyword Magic tool to generate thousands of keyword ideas based on the single seed keyword. While using these tools, remember, it's not just about volume. Look for keywords that are relevant to your content, have a decent search volume, but aren't too competitive. Think about the intent behind the keywords and how well they align with your content. This is the key to successful keyword research.